Okay, hello everybody, what's going on? This is Muhammad. Welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to solve for this indefinite integral. So what we're having here, we're having the integral of sine of 2x divided by sine of 5x multiplied by sine of 3x dx. Okay, so you can think about different ways how to solve this integral, but many ways are going to take you to a long path. Okay, so the easiest way I find and the fastest way to solve for this integral is basically to rewrite the numerator as the sine of the difference of two angles, which are 5x and 3x. So that's what we're gonna do here, and that would make this problem a lot easier to solve. Okay, so that's exactly what we're gonna do here. So this is gonna be equal to the integral of the sine of 5x minus 3x, because that's going to give that's still 2x, okay, divided by the same denominator, which is sine 5x multiplied by sine of 3x, and of course dx. And now we can use the law of the sine of the difference of two angles, which is basically sine cosine, and we take the same sign, which is negative here, minus cosine sine. So that's what we're going to do here. Okay, so that's going to give us, let me make this a little bit up. Okay, so that's going to give us sine 5x cosine 3x minus cosine 5x sine 3x divided exactly by the same exact denominator, which is sine 5x sine 3x, of course dx, and I will make this a little bit longer, the fraction sign. Yeah, this is it. Okay, and of course now we can split the numerator over the denominator. So we can notice here, if we split, okay, the first term, which is this term here, over the denominator, okay, then basically you can notice that sine 5x is going to get cancelled with sine 5x, and we're going to be left out with cosine 3x divided by sine 3x. So that's what we're going to do here, okay? So the first term, sine 5x is going to get cancelled, and we're going to be left out with cosine 3x divided by sine 3x, and we have a negative sign here. And then we do the same thing for the second term, but what we notice here is that let me erase what we did already here. Okay, so you can notice that sine 3x is going to get cancelled with sine 3x, and we're going to be left out with cosine 5x divided by sine 5x. Cosine 5x divided by sine 5x, and let's put everything between two parentheses. Okay, dx. Now the integration has become now very simple and very easy and straightforward. We can notice that the denominator in every one of the two terms, the derivative of the denominator is basically in the numerator, but we're missing some factors. Okay, for example, the derivative of the sine of 3x is 3 cosine 3x. So we're missing 3 in the numerator. So what we can do here, we can multiply by 3 and divide by 3, and that's going to give us the integration of the first term, which is 1/3 the natural logarithm of the absolute value, of course, of the denominator, which is sine of 3x. And also we can do the same thing in the denominator, in the second denominator, the derivative of that is 5 cosine 5x. So we're having here cosine 5x. So there's a 5 missing, so we can multiply by 5 and divide by 5, and that's going to give us 1/5 the natural logarithm of the absolute value, of the absolute value of the denominator, which is sine 5x. And we have to close the absolute value, okay, and maybe rewrite this here, and also plus c, and that is basically the answer to this problem. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to highlight this final result here, okay, and this final result. This is the final. If you like this video, hit like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the bell so you don't miss anything in the future. Thank you for watching and see you in another video.